friends, this is question of function from IIT Main 2017. See, in this function where fx is equal to x by 1 plus x square, we have to check whether it is injective or not, surjective or not. It is very simple question. To solve it, there are several methods, but we will differentiate it. When you do the differentiation, you will get this. Yes, you can do it now. Sign scheme of f dash x. Minus 1 1, because x square minus 1 is equal to 0 gives minus 1 and 1. This will negative, positive, negative. What do we get? This is not monotonic, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. Not monotonic itself implies it is not 1 1, and the not 1 1 is not injective. Go to option, not injective, not invertible, not injective. For surjective, whether surjective or not, we will take help of this. This is minus infinity, this is infinity. At plus minus infinity, this will be 0. This power is less, this power is more. At minus 1, this will be minus 1 by 2, and at plus 1, this will be 1 by 2. So, what is range? Range is minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2, same as codomain. So, function is what? Function is surjective. This is surjective but not injective. This is the correct answer. Option is 2. But this question is a very simple solution that we are going to see next. Now see what is concept and what is objective question. You can do this question without writing something. See how. This is fx. X by 1 plus x square. Divide both numerator and denominator by x. This is 1 by x plus x. From here, you can straightforward guess. This is f of 1 by 2. F of 2. This is 1 by 2. This is 2. And again, when we put 1 by 2, this is 2, this is 1 by 2. This implies what? Function is injective. Again, we know when this is greater than 0, x plus 1 by x greater than equal to 2. When this is less than 0, this is less than equal to minus 2. When we put this 2 here, fx is less than equal to 1 by 2. When we put minus 2, this is greater than equal to minus 1 by 2. So range is same as codomain and the function is surjective. So you can do this without much effort. Okay, I think you enjoy this question. For the solution of next question, please see our next video. Thank you.